So abrantie bi so kwan e wo social no eso and ota kwan but the enkofo nim ni say all onye SM boy sa guy no kwa me say why ye walida onye SM boy but it's funny how events are turning tie asem a okan
the way you put yourself on a level where you know reach. All be the back of your insecurities, you know. You always think say you for do more to be seen. You always feel say you for do more to be seen. Like when I think about it, I don't know whether it be the leg or it be the shaman or it be the poverty where you come from, or I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know if you put a finger on it. Because it's weird. Because if it's poverty, I'll be them too from poverty. You understand? But they have composure. You understand? They didn't overdo. They didn't like take each other. They didn't like take somebody in shine. But you like to take shine. You like to cross. You be giddy. But you say, you do song they talk about, you know be giddy. We see you on the red carpet, you know. How you move to Taylor Swift. That be the most giddy thing any man would fit do on the red carpet, you know. Very giddy. You were moving like a Formula One. Very giddy guy. You pass giddy self, you be giddy. You understand?
Abusia FireStick na eka say na me so me the sister son to be a guy. The ade ba kwa me adwuma ne ye din ni. Empanifo bu baby se twene ani da ho aye monchen. No kra wo ho a ho. Okoka sisiye ye ka sister Sandy ba wo de tie. Rasanya rapaholic. Sarkodie ebu nkotodwe e ma obrafo. Tie ni analysis me ye ba cho to bu na tie. We find emotions and can tie me. When Samini and Wale started, remember Shatta Wale was once called Bandana. No, Kobai no be friend no. Shatta Wale. And Samini was Batman. Shatta Wale called first Samini Godfather. It was like Ghana for where you need Jim. Ayayana. Yama. Bray chimuye ne day. Which or you're very talented or you're good at what he does. No two ways about it. But when sister Sandy Mijina hey. Number me dem hototo gifty auntie. Sanya and then Anama McBrown. They are big. Oma wa adwuma match na Anama wa adwuma 25 years, my own 15 years. Or started 10 years before Maybem. And you know, also Ayana is just right to say yede ebuo bema obi odi wanim. Also, it's just fair. So, ube tuche. And no, debi ameka say tuche mo obi. It doesn't make you any less. And with the respect ma senior, it doesn't make you debi a unyo obi. Stonebwoy is big. No two ways about it. One of our international exports. But I feel say some Ghanaians, emanichimi and they say obetimi ni obi a rubbish shoulders. But hello, they are seniors in every game. And you know, you put analysis ni ye na ye nti obi na so and disrespect obi adwuma. Ke ye na sumdwe be den. Ebeba. Enti de bia meka se ba bia me gine. I will not tolerate any junior disrespecting any senior in the game. Pacho what I say. See we dey ye ho ye. Oho. Aha, see bim for we dem pacho mo bum free because enye ne bone so. But seniority there me refer to rapaholic. Sarkodie is big. Ye international export. We because oh brafo crambo and international Sarkodie international, but Sarkodie still nailed in front of brafo. That is showing appreciation. That is showing seniority. Na say Samini do buy. Na say no sane Samini jemwa. Entwe achomo hu. Aha, we dey. Mr. Moa, we say wo pese obi be didi atema. We pese so te ase say adwuma ye ne didi atem nenam. Because adwuma die ke didi atem ku nipa ka esa me wuda da so di be di atem pe bi didi pe be aduane bi di aha na o me a wotimi da instead of so ba be di atem ye ho anka ho na ye ntoa ensem no eso